It was a lot of fun. I made 4 dishes, and they were delicious. She carefully explained the ingredients and how to make them. Even though I'm a Japanese person who doesn't understand much English, Ms. Lydia was considerate to me during the English class. I was given the recipes in Japanese, so I didn't have any trouble in the English class. She took a lot of photos, which I'm looking forward to receiving in a few days. And what surprised me was that my photo was on the cover of the last recipe I received. I'd like to try other dishes. Had an amazing time today with Angela as our host. Very accommodating to our group with varied levels of skill ranging from a child of 5, 2 non-cooks as well as 2 chefs. Was an intimate class of 6 people where we collectively worked together to make 2 traditional dishes and highly recommend. It was an amazing experience learning how to make XLB from scratch. Diana was a great teacher who explained every step, making our XLB a success. Looking forward to joining another class the next time I come back to Taipei. The beef noodles, XLB, cucumber salad and milk tea are definitely the Taiwanese cuisine essentials. The class is very organized and they really involve the students in the preparation and cooking. They take your pictures so you won't have to worry about it. Lydia has been very accommodating in answering our questions and she really explains everything well. You'll have a rest. It was a fun cooking class at Cookan. We learned how to cook 3 Taiwanese dishes including our favorite Xiao Long Bao and bubble milk tea under the guidance of a lady instructor who spoke English. The kitchen was clean and spacious. After cooking, we could eat our food and bring home a souvenir photo for memory. Though the class fee was expensive, the experience was memorable. Instructors converse well in Mandarin and English, give clear explanations of why things should be done this way, and proper introduction of the ingredients used and its variations. Staff also took lots of pics for us. Very interactive and informational class. We loved the sort of international community aspect of it with all the other people in the class. 10/10s definitely recommend. Thank you to our instructor, Lydia, red heart emoji. Chelsea was an amazing teacher and we had so much fun in her class. It was tricky to get the wrapping right for the Xiao Long Bao but Chelsea was so helpful till we got it right. One of the highlights of our Taipei trip. A thoroughly enjoyable experience. Our English-speaking cooking guide, Angela, was incredibly helpful and friendly. We made 3 food items, Xiao Long Bao, cucumber salad, and boba milk tea, and afterwards we were given a free souvenir, got the chance to see how local markets are like. Despite the raining weather, our instructor was still able to show us quite a few local ingredients. The lab kitchen is really spacious and clean. All staffs are very friendly. Actual cooking process was really easy. Staff are super nice. They took photos of us while we were cooking throughout the morning and then shared them with us online later so we didn't have to fumble with our phones. We did the Xiao Long Bao and Noodles class with Market Tour. Market Tour was good, we got to try some local foods on the way. Since Xiao Long Bao takes a long time to make, we spent most of the time making those and folding them, that takes the longest. Flavor of the Xiao Long Bao had a bit to be desired, but it was a good experience making them. We made the beef noodles, excellent class, knowledgeable teachers who make cooking fun. It starts with a walking tour of a local market to show you all the beautiful ingredients that are available to Taiwanese people. Then you cook up some Taiwanese classics, eat them and walk away with the recipes and a smile.